Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to Quick Crafts. So we have got the lovely Barkley here sitting on some really lovely books. This is from one of our previous releases, but I just want to show you how you can mix and match the new with the old stamps. Now the raccoons, they come in two different sizes and there's 3 different raccoons. So this one, as I say, is Barkley and they're great for storytelling. As I say, mix and match with your older stamps as well and you can tell some great stories. Okay, so I'm going to create this lovely little tag now. So I've got my black tag here, I've got my PanPastels, which is what I'm going to be using to create that white background. So let's get started. And there we have it. Another really quick, easy tag. No two will ever be the same, of course, but that's the love of making cards, isn't it? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's demo. Really quick, easy, atmospheric card. Try black card. You'll love it. Thanks for watching, guys. You take care. I'll see you soon.